Valenti murder, Polygon. The warm glow from a beautiful house built into the summer night casting golden light over the quiet garden. Inside, a man in his 60s hangs over an 18-scroll. Lips move silently, eyes narrow behind fake glasses. A trembling finger tracing an odd, narrowly vanished room. His graying hair tangled with brown, messy from hours of work. Terror lysteren kaster. Beta? No, not that one. Pharaoh? No. Damn room, he muttered under his breath. Pulsation flickered across his face. He showed his chair back with a squeeze and snatched a book from a towering stack. His eyes scanned the page with the ferocity of a braving storm. Disappointed, he set the book down with a sigh and leaned back in his chair. He closed his eyes, rubbing the bridge of his nose. If I could just see what the room that is, he whispered. When his eyes opened again, they landed on a photo, pinned beside the desk, a younger version of himself, smiling beside a teenage girl with hazelnut hair and green eyes. Eve, where are you when you need me? Crack! A sudden sound from inside the house snapped him upright. Hello? Who's there? He called out, voice sharp with alarm, as he squinted past the towering stacks of books into the dim light. This is my property. Whoever you are, you need to leave. A bluff movement, cold, sharp brown eyes, a glint of steel catching the light. A knife? A searing pain slashed across his neck. The brother tilted, tearing coming to the floor, lifeless. The bloody scroll slipped from his grasp. The killer leaned down and craved a single wound into his back. Ansus. A jagged twisted F, a symbol of wisdom or madness. Without a sound, the figure disappeared into the night, leaving the front door slightly ajar. The house, filled with light, fell into silence.